welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will make a 3 kinds of wild garlic pesto. For those who don't know me, my name is May Bangerter and I am Filipina, based in Switzerland. Before you start doing a wild garlic pesto, please try to wash the wild garlic leaves, because when you go to a forest and get some wild garlic leaves, maybe there's a pee from the dog or some animals, or it's really dirty, so it's better wash it properly before you start doing a pesto. After washing the leaves, use a dry cloth, a salad spinner if you have at home, or a kitchen tissue paper to dry this wild garlic leaf. My tip before you start doing a pesto, clean the glass with a hot water. The reason why I used a hot water to clean it, because to remove all the bacteria what's inside in this glass, and I also clean the cup of this glass. So now we can start doing our pesto. Don't worry, it's really easy to do it. As you can see, I have here beside me a mixer, but this mixer is actually not too much big, but I am really happy to have this at home because I can make a pesto over here. I can use this to make a smoothies, I can use this to make a juice, I can use to make this for dessert, or to make a fresh fruit juice. So now I will put the wild garlic leaves inside this glass. If you feel like the leaves are too big, you can also cut it in small pieces. When it comes to oil, of course you can use olive oil, you can use a rape oil or a sunflower oil, but right now I have a sunflower oil with me. The oil I already put inside, and then I will put the salt. I will put the rest of the wild garlic leaves later when the others are already mixed. Then I will put the rest. So it's already done. I have here a clean glass. So now we will put the pesto already inside the glass. And close it properly. So the first wild garlic pesto is done. Now we will do the second one. I have the same amount of the wild garlic leaves, the same amount of the oil and the salt. Now we will do the wild garlic with walnut pesto. I will put the half of the leaves inside this glass. Put the salt. I will put more. And the oil. And we can already mix it. And then I will put the roasted chopped walnuts inside the pesto. Again, I have the clean glass with me to fill up the pesto. Wow. Smells so nice. And the last will be the wild garlic Parmesan pesto. The portion of the leaves is the same. I have an oil here in front of me and a ground Parmesan cheese. I will put the wild garlic leaves inside. The same procedure of the first and the second pesto. Mix it again. The mixing is already done, and I have a glass again beside me to fill up the wild garlic Parmesan pesto. And as you can see, the glass what I have here right now, it's a little bit big because I put 70 grams of Parmesan cheese. So I guess this pesto will not fit in the other glass. So it's ready to fill up. To finish all the pesto, I have here a oil. Why I have oil? I will put this oil on the top of the pesto because the pesto could be so dry on the top. That's why I said I will put 2 tablespoons of oil on each glass. In the walnuts pesto, I will also put 2 tablespoons of oil on the top just to cover it because there's sometimes that the pesto gets dry, so there will not be a molds on the top. And then here I will put 3 tablespoons of oil. Now it's better. Then I will close it all together It's actually a wild garlic season here right now in Switzerland. And wild garlic grows in the middle of March until May. That's why I make a pesto from wild garlic, so you can also make it at home, and it's really easy to do it. If you want to make a wild garlic with nuts pesto, you can use a cashew nuts, pistachio, and different kinds of nuts. Maybe some of you asking why I am not using olive oil. I actually use sometimes an olive oil. There's some times that when I taste it, it's a little bit bitter because the olive oil makes the pesto a little bit bitter. So that's why I decided to use a sunflower oil. To make the label of my pesto, I use this spinach cube. Right now, I have this Brother printer. This is actually good for the labels and actually also for the office. And you can also connect this in your phone to print out. That's it for now. The 3 kinds of pesto is already done. Comment down below if you have an idea or a request for me to make another video, and the recipe I will put the description down below. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you get a notification when I post a new video. Have a nice day. Stay safe, everyone. Bye!